This video I will explain common mistakes which beginners make on Google Pay. Google Pay is simple to use, but beginners often make small mistakes that can lead to money loss, wrong payments, or security issues. Understanding these mistakes will help you to use Google Pay safely and confidently. First one is sending the money without checking the receiver name. Many beginners enter the mobile number or UPI ID and send the money immediately. They forget to look at the verified name that Google Pay shows. This is risky because even one wrong digit can send your money to a stranger. Always check the receiver name before pressing pay. Second one is sending money in a hurry. Rushing leads to mistakes such as wrong number, wrong amount, sending to the wrong contact, pressing pay accidentally. You have to take a few extra seconds to confirm everything. UPI transfers are instant, so mistakes cannot be reversed easily. Third one is not checking the amount before paying. Beginners often type the amount quickly and do not notice extra zeros. For example, typing 5000 instead of 500. Always double check the amount field before you confirm your payment. Fourth one is trusting unknown links or messages. Some people click on payment links sent through chat apps, SMS, and social media. These can be dangerous because scammers may try to trick you into paying them. Always enter the number yourself inside the Google Pay. You have to avoid paying through random links. Fifth one is scanning unverified QR codes. Beginners sometimes scan QR codes that are covered, replaced, placed by strangers, and not belonging to the real shop. Always check that the QR code belongs to correct shop or person. After scanning, confirm the name shown on the Google Pay. Sixth one is not saving trusted contacts. Typing numbers every time increases the chances of mistakes. Beginners forget to save contacts inside Google Pay. Saved contacts reduce errors and speed up payments safely. Seventh one is ignoring payment request. Beginners sometimes pay without reading the payment request details. Some scammers send the fake request for large amounts. Always check who sent the request, the amount, and the reason. If something looks wrong, do not accept it. Eighth one is confusing between pay button and request button. Some new users press request button instead of pay button or other way around. This can cause failed payments, asking for money by mistake, sending money when you did not mean to. You have to read the button carefully before tabbing. Ninth one is not updating the Google Pay app. Updates bring better security, new features, fixes for bugs, warning for suspicious activity. Beginners sometimes skips updates and miss important safety improvements. Tenth one is sharing OTP, PIN, or screen with others. Some beginners share sensitive information when someone calls pretending to be from the bank or customer support. This is dangerous. Never share UPI PIN, OTP, bank details, screenshot of your Google Pay app. No real support team will ever ask for this. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.